Do you have some regrets or some things that you feel कि हो सकता है मैं इसको अलग handle करती? Let me give you JNU's example.
नहीं,
do you think the government could have handled JNU
If you want a
differently?
genuine regret today, there'll be a lot of people who will be watching me, and especially from my own fraternity, from my own support base. Our regret is consistently, why would we go to the Barkha Dutt show when she demonizes all of us every day?
Why is that a regret? Okay, firstly I would challenge this charge of demonization, which I always have. आपने पिछले साल भी मुझे बड़ी मुश्किल से एक इंटरव्यू दिया, तब भी मैंने आपसे ये कहा that I am an individual, I am fair, I am objective.
No, I think it's not about हम शायद ना समझे. I think that it is all about the very fact that you would presume that हम नहीं समझेंगे shows a level of arrogance that I know what I'm doing and you possibly don't understand.
Of course not.
Democracy is about having a very objective kind of journalism, where the journalist doesn't become a political stepney to a political organization like the Congress Party.
No, I didn't
even say that you are that journalist. I didn't even say you are that journalist.
You complete your thoughts.
Democracy is about genuinely, I mean, I've witnessed it. How you demonized Narendra Modi when he was chief minister, he became prime minister, and how persistently I have never seen any kind of a balanced conversation. It has always been either Congress loaded or left loaded, which has been the possibly genetic makeup of how you or your organization possibly disseminates news. I've had one colleague at the receiving end where one of your journalists said, well, news is supposed to be subjective and not objective, which for me is very, shocking, that a journalist feels that I need to add my own interest, my own perspective, and just not deliver plain news. So if you talk about regrets, then possibly the regret is that that I would talk to a Barkha Dutt and still not have her treat my leadership fairly. Personally, Barkha led an attack on many right-wing women online, where a cabal of journalists...
to somebody? Have I ever made a sexual slur about somebody?
No, I think that given that you don't have an inclination towards the female kind, possibly that is my understanding of you, you possibly will not make a sexual slur at a woman.
What I mean is that women are character assassinated, but you can't say I've ever done about any woman, irrespective of political...
You have.
A character assassination.
You have. When you look at character, do you look at it only from a physical perspective?
उस वे में मेरा भी आपके supporters ने मेरा भी character assassinate किया, so that we can go on and on.
No, like I said, that you have to distinguish when a journalist becomes a troll, when a senior leader becomes abusive. Is the system balanced enough to then say that this senior politician should not have done it? I, from a right-wing perspective, have not seen that much.
Okay.
Secondly, when in Kerala, the left chops to and hacks to death a BJP worker, I don't see an outrage everywhere, which is a very, you can look around, we don't see it. So from a communication perspective, there's always question mark as to why is it okay to hack to death a right-winger and there'll be no national outrage. Why is it okay for a Dalit girl to be raped and brutally murdered in a left bastion or a Congress bastion, and none of you will go there and create an outrage?
Okay, now,
but that is, I guess, a part and parcel of how our polity currently is designed. But as a political worker, that may be my angst. But as an administrator, I only deal with education. So I separate my angst between the administrator and the party worker that I am.
Now, you've said a lot of different things. Let's first talk about you think I troll women of the right
I
wing.
think this interview is not about you, it's about me. So
no, but you said so many things about me that I must be able to at least not be and be able to speak
I'm
for
sure
myself.
You'll get online and have a lot to say about it.
No, I'm sure I can speak face to face with you.
Yes.
And my question is not about me, because this interview is not about me.
Yes.
But when I said sexual slurs, I didn't mean that, I'm sexually interested in women or sexually interested. I meant that there is a suggestion that a woman is of loose morals. मैं किसी भी औरत की बात कर रही हूँ. Loose morals, sleeping her way to the top,
but like I said,
words like whore are used.
No, but please understand. I recall, and I can now publicly say this, that in your entire tenure as a journalist, there was once a severe attack on me, a sexual attack. You had a tweet done which you deleted.
Me?
In my favor, yes, I saved that tweet.
Why would I delete it?
I don't know.
What was
But
the tweet?
possibly there was a tweet of appreciating me, which you deleted.
I would never delete it. Why
I've
would
got
I
a
delete it?
screenshot
It can't
of
be.
it.
Why would I
I've
do
got
that?
a screenshot
Honey,
of
why
it.
would I do that?
That is the beauty of technology. But that in itself is indicative that even a person like you would not be in your cabal, be caught appreciating anybody from the right wing, because it's not the good thing to do, or
Not
the nice
true,
thing to
because
do.
I give you the most recent example of Mr. Yadav's attack on you,
No,
and
no,
you can check
but
the
like I
screenshot
said,
of my tweet.
No, I've checked the screenshot which I've saved, which is then you deleted. So like I said, technology has that beautiful
Okay,
capacity to rewind and then revisit.
Before
a
this
million
interview
things.
becomes
Yes.
all about you and me
Yeah,
and
you and
Twitter.
me.
Let's talk about the issues you've raised.
Yeah.
You've said the right wing is given a raw deal by journalists online.
No, I'm not saying all journalists.
Oh,
I'm
by-
only
by
talking
people like
about
me, by people
you
like
and
me.
NDTV.
अच्छा,
Yes.
only us. और कोई पूरे देश में और कोई नहीं है.
नहीं, इतना vicious सवाल कोई नहीं.
So
हाँ.
let's park that debate for another time before the whole interview becomes about that.
Yeah.
Because we could go on and on.
Rolled up. But don't use people like me for your political cause. Smriti Irani has Z security. Do I have Z security? I don't. But why always use me? I mean, why always? They were senior journalists. अरे स्मृति ईरानी के 2 बच्चे हैं, दोनों के दोनों अमेरिका में पढ़ रहे हैं. For heaven's sake, they're in a Delhi school, not even a fancy school like Sanskriti. They're in a very, very normal, medium and middle class school. But why make my children the object? There was one tweet, अरे इतनी अनपढ़ औरत की बेटी कराटे का वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप कैसे जीत सकती है? I didn't see any outrage. When you drag my kids in, I don't see anybody becoming sensitive enough to say क्यों ये कर रहे हो? When a Rashid Alvi talks, I don't see a 9 o'clock debate on it. A Sanjay Nirupam gets a Sanjay Nirupam
It's
gets
terrible.
a Sanjay Nirupam gets promoted. So what are you talking about?
But you know, it's precisely because you have been at the receiving end of this
my
that
thing
I
is
would
very
expect
clear.
you
No, I have said
to
it
be
public. I
empathetic
have been
with any
very
woman who goes through
empathetic,
this.
and I have been very categorical time and again.
But you've also
But-
said if you can't face the heat, get out of the kitchen.
That is my thing, my belief. If I can't face it, I will get out. I'm not prescribing the same rule to you. I have not said
I
it
am
in
the same-
context.
I am the
I have
same
not
way.
said
But
it in
a
context.
lot of women may
Hang
not
on.
be able to
I
deal
have
with that
not
level of
said it in
toxicity.
context with any other person. This is my belief. If I can't take it, I'll get out of this field. But why would you demonize me for having my own perspective now? Why should I give you an explanation about giving an interview to Economic Times now?
Of course, of
If
course.
of course, then why would you even post such a question?
My question is only this, that when you had that argument which you think gave Priyanka Chaturvedi a new lease of life, that
The very fact that you know she exists also says a lot.
That-
na?
that-
Otherwise, Barkha Dutt, how many BJP state spokespersons do you know?
I know many because I've been a journalist
Yeah.
for very long. I'm a
But,
buddhi.
okay,
But that's
So tell me one name from Mizoram.
No, I may not know Mizoram.
Achha,
well.
tell me one name from Odisha.
Okay, so let's say you got reacquainted with Priyanka Chaturvedi.
No, I'm not saying that.
Yeah,
I'm
chalo.
just saying that I'm just proving my point.
Okay, my question is something.
Journalists who are at the receiving end.
Who say why do you argue with journalists? Who say why do you argue with
Why do you
journalists?
argue with anybody? You know, it's not your stature. Though it's up to our stature to attack you and say whatever the hell we want.
Acha, tell me something. You said you buy.
I have to leave.
No, just
Ah.
five 10 minutes because I want to come back to your ministry. You said we demonize Mr. Modi, but there was a time.
You do.
But there was a time when you
How many
had.
programs have you had when congressman literally abused his mother? Tell me.
I do not
Even you-
agree
no,
with
no,
those
no,
politics.
But how many buck stops here did you have? And he was even chief minister. I
Why don't
remember
you see the
the
program
2000.
we've done on the Congress?
Arey Baba,
Again, this issue is becoming about you and me.
2012 assembly election. I remember distinctly camps being put up, tamboos being put up, and literally abusing his mother. I saw no
Not
outrage.
any of us.
No, the Congress. Why was there no national
There's
outrage?
outrage for these issues.
No, there isn't.
But
Where
my-
was your buck stops here on that?
But okay, now since this interview is not about me, and I'm very happy to have a complete 1 hour debate on my journalism at another point.